Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most consistent and best-selling SUVs on the market, to the 2025 Toyota RAV4. With a legacy of reliability and practicality, the RAV4 continues to be a favorite among drivers who want a comfortable, efficient, and versatile ride. But does the 2025 model bring enough to the table to maintain its legendary status? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2025 RAV4 doesn't stray far from the winning formula. The exterior design is familiar, with a few subtle tweaks that give it a more refined and modern edge. The front fascia has been slightly updated, featuring a cleaner grille and new LED headlight design that gives it a sharper look. Toyota offers new paint options and wheel designs, giving buyers more ways to personalize their ride without going over the top. It's not a radical redesign, but it's a smart evolution of a look that already works. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 still offers a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not a speed demon, but it's solid, reliable, and fuel-efficient at right around 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 on the highway. For those wanting more efficiency, the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants, including the RAV4 Prime, are still part of the lineup. The RAV4 Prime especially stands out, delivering up to 42 miles of electric-only range and combining strong performance with impressive fuel savings. That blend of power and economy makes it a standout in this segment. Inside, Toyota has made meaningful upgrades. The 2025 RAV4 now includes a larger standard touchscreen up to 10.5 inches paired with the latest Toyota audio multimedia system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, and higher trims come with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that adds a premium, high-tech feel. Cabin materials have seen an upgrade, especially in the mid to high trims, with soft touch surfaces and improved fit and finish. The layout remains spacious and functional, with plenty of legroom for passengers and ample cargo space in the rear. Safety has always been a strong point for Toyota, and the RAV4 continues that trend. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 now comes standard on all models, bringing in updated features like improved lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with smoother braking, and enhanced pedestrian detection. These systems are more responsive than in previous years, making everyday driving just a bit more stress-free. One of the things that makes the RAV4 so appealing is the variety of trims available. Whether you're looking for a basic commuter vehicle, an off-road capable SUV, or a high-tech family car, there's a RAV4 that fits. The TRD Off-Road trim, for example, still brings rugged features like all-terrain tires, upgraded suspension, and skid plates, making it a solid choice for weekend adventurers. On the other end, the Limited and Prime trims cater to those who want comfort, tech, and efficiency all in one package. Pricing for the 2025 RAV4 starts around $30,000, with the hybrid models coming in slightly higher. The RAV4 Prime, being the top-tier option, edges close to $45,000 when fully loaded, but it's worth every penny for drivers prioritizing performance and fuel savings. So, is the 2025 Toyota RAV4 still a legend? Absolutely. It may not be the flashiest SUV on the market, but it nails the essentials with precision and reliability, efficiency, practicality, and just enough personality to stand out. Toyota didn't reinvent the wheel here, but they didn't need to. They've fine-tuned the proven formula, and for most drivers, That's exactly what makes the RAV4 continued top choice. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Toyota RAV4, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride. Until next time, keep those wheels rolling.